Hello everyone, welcome to SSBR Educations. This is Srivalli. So, coming to the topic, in last three episodes we was discussed about fundamental concepts of algebra and operations on numbers and variables, algebraic expressions and terms of an algebraic expression in last three classes. So, in this class we will discuss about various types of algebraic expressions. Various types of algebraic expression we will discuss in this episode. So, before starting this episode, please subscribe my channel and click on the like symbol. So, I am going to the topic. First one, various types of algebraic expression. So, in this, first one is monomial. First one is monomial. What is monomial? We will see now. An algebraic expression containing one term only. Term. One term only is called monomial. Here we know about terms. Terms are nothing but several parts of an algebraic expression separated by plus or minus signs are called the terms of an expression. You got my point, I'm thinking. I'm repeating the terms definition. Several parts of an algebraic expression separated by plus or minus sign are called the terms of an expression. Means in an algebraic expression, each part was divided by several parts. Part 1, part 2, part 3. For example, I'm writing here a more algebraic expression. 3x square minus 5y plus 2 by 3 xy. So it is an algebraic expression, we know that. So it is one term and minus 5x one term and plus 23 by 2 by 3 xy. So here in this we separated this algebraic expression several parts. 3 by 3 x square one term, minus 5y one term and 2 by 3 xy. So like this we was said terms of an algebraic expression. In the terms only various types of algebraic expressions was there. Now what they are we will see now. So I'm rubbing this. Here, first one is monomial. An algebraic expression containing one term only is called monomial. Here, one term means 5x minus 6y square 12xy by 7z. You got my point, I'm thinking. Only one term. There is no another term. For example, another term means 5x minus 6y square. It will be binomial because 5x and minus 6y square is two term. It is one and it is two. Two terms are there. So it is not a monomial. It is called as binomial. So that's what I'm saying now. Please understand. So it is monomial. I'm repeating the definition. An algebraic expression containing one term only is called monomial. Here 5x also an algebraic expression. Minus 6y square also an algebraic expression. All algebraic expression may be all monomials are algebraic expression, but all algebraic expressions are not monomial. I'm repeating again. All monomials are called as algebraic expression, but all algebraic expressions need not to be a monomial. So you got my point, I'm thinking. Now I'm going to binomial. So in last we discussed about monomial, now binomial. Monomial means containing one term, but binomial is containing two terms. Containing two terms. See the examples here. 5x and 5x plus 3y. 5x is one term and 3y is one term. And when they combined with come together with a plus sign, mathematical operation, then that become an algebraic expression and it will be a binomial because it has two terms. One is plus 5x, another is plus 3y. So you got my point in binomial also. And I'm repeating the definition of binomial. An algebraic expression containing two terms is called binomial. It is a binomial because it didn't had any three terms or more than that, and it didn't had a one term. It containing two terms. 5x is one term and plus 3y is one term. And another thing I should say here, the rule of the algebraic expression is when counting the terms, you should count the term with a sign of the whole number plus 3y. For example, here minus 5 is there. I'm saying this minus y is a term. We should not remove minus and we should not say that y is a term. That time it will become a plus y. So whenever we are saying a algebraic expression, we should count the sign also. You should not forget that. It is the rule in algebraic expression. And you got now I said monomial and binomial. Now you got the definitions also and also an example by all the people will get understand by example. So you people got my point. Now we completed binomial and monomial. What is monomial means? An algebraic expression containing one term, and binomial, an algebraic expression containing two terms. Here these various types of algebraic expression is depend on totally terms only. Before I'm saying that here a word coming term. In last classes I explained about terms. If you people not listen that term definition and the class means, you will not understand this class too, because it is totally depend on the previous classes. So please understand and watch my last classes also. Now we completed binomial and monomial. Third one is trinomial. third one is trinomial Third one is trinomial. So here trinomials means, trinomials are an algebraic expression containing three terms. One term, two term, three term. Fourth one is not there. It is in a multinomial. More than one term operations, more than one term expressions are said to be multinomial. So first we will discuss about trinomial. After that we will go to that. So here see the definition. An algebraic expression containing three terms is called a trinomial. Here there are three terms are there. See here, x, 3y and minus z, plus x plus 3y and minus z. Here three terms are combining to form an algebraic expression, and that three terms is said to be trinomial. See here, a square plus b square plus 2ab. These are three terms, and all the terms combined with a mathematical operation. So we completed trinomial also. First we will see what is monomial. An algebraic expression containing one term only is called monomial, and an algebraic expression containing two terms is called a binomial. And the examples here, you can write more than infinity examples also. Trinomial, an algebraic expression containing three terms. Tri, in the word only there, tri means three, we know that. You can triangle, you know triangle. Triangle has three sides, three angles. That's why it had the name as triangle. So by that also you can keep in your mind, tri means three and nomial means an expression. So trinomial, three terms expression. Three terms expression. By that also you can keep in your mind what is trinomial. If you keep in your mind this, you can get binomial and monomial too. So now we completed trinomial also. And last but not least, it is multinomial. Multinomial. What is multinomial? An algebraic expression containing more than one term is called a multinomial. An algebraic expression containing more than one term. More than one term. They didn't represent 4 or 5 or 6. More than one term means infinity numbers. For example, see here, 4x square minus 2 by 9y plus 5x. Here four terms are there. More than four terms also it is said to be multinomial. More than four terms also it is said to be multinomial. So various types of algebraic expression was completed now. Various types of algebraic expression means the determining of terms by combination. When the terms was combined, there is a different types of names, that monomial, binomial, trinomial, multinomial, and these are the various types of algebraic expression, and you should not forget these all because these are the important topics in your chapter and this is the basic. So now we are going to the topic factors of a term. Factors of a term. Factors of a term. So what is factors of a term? I will say that when two or more quantities like numbers and variables, two or more quantities means here variables and numbers are multiplied to form a term of an expression, then each of these quantity is called a factor of the term. A constant factor is called a numerical factor, and while a variable factor is a literal factor or else a variable. Anything we can say that. Now I'm writing the definition here, that and you will get my point. Terms, I'm reading this. When two or more quantities. Here quantities means numbers and variables. When numbers and variables, for example, here 5 and x are multiplied to form a term. Means here when what is term? The combination of variables and numbers, we know that. When these are multiplied or added, subtracted, divided, anything it can be done. When these was combined with a mathematical operation, that time, then each of these quantities is called a factor of a term. For 5x, here 1 and 5 and x are the factors of your term, means factors of this 5x. That's what I'm saying now. For, for example, in this factors of your term, there is a numerical factor and literal factor. Here 5 is called as numerical factor. NF, I am not writing full form of this NF. NF means nothing but factor. I mean numerical factor. And X is nothing but variable. We know that we will call the English alphabets in mathematics variables. X is called as variable. So here when numerical factor and when variable factor is combined or multiplied together, that time we get a factor of an expression, factor of a term. So that's what I'm saying now. Here, see here, I'm writing with a clear explanation I will write here. For example, I'm taking 3ab. Here it is in a numerical factor. Numerical means nothing but number. Number is called as numerical factor. And AB is a AB is a variable or literal factor. So here what is the factors of 3AB means 3AB. These are the factors of this 3AB term. So that's what I'm saying now. For example, I give another also. Minus 9a square b. What is the factors? What is the factors of minus 9a square b? Wait a minute, children. Minus 9a square b means here minus 9 and a square b, ab and a square b. These are the factors of the 9 minus 9a square b. For example, here minus 3 plus 3 also will be, because minus 3 into 3 that equal to minus 9. We know that. These are also factors of minus 9a square b. A square b, ab, a square b. These are the factors of the term that is minus 9a square b. Now you got my point what I'm saying now, and I will say the definition of factors of term again. When two or more quantities, here quantities means minus plus 3ab, minus 9a square b. These are the quantities and combination of numbers and variables. The combination of numbers and variables are called as quantities. Here two or more means, for example, 5xy plus 3y anything, two or more quantities, numbers and variables. See here, numbers and variables are multiplied to form a term. Numbers and variables are multiplied to form a term of an expression, then each of the quantities of these quantities is called a factor of a term. And in factor of a term, there is two types, that is numerical factor and literal factor. Literal factor is nothing but variables, and numerical factor is nothing but numbers. So this is about factors of a term. And in this episode, I explained about various types of an algebraic expression and factors of a term. In next episode, we will discuss more about this algebraic expression. And before concluding this chapter, please subscribe my channel and click on the like symbol. So please watch my classes regularly, and that time you will understand the topic what I'm saying. So thank you.